Hello children, welcome back to part 2 of the chapter The Earth in the Solar System. This is me Manu Antony from Bhavan's Kanti Vidyashram. I hope all of you have watched the part 1 of this chapter. Let's recap what we have discussed in the part 1. We started with celestial bodies. We have discussed that celestial bodies are heavenly bodies. All the objects present in the space or universe, we call it as celestial bodies. Examples are star, moon, sun, etc. Then we went on to stars. Stars are big, hot, burning gas balls. They emit their own heat and light. They are of great mass. Sun is an example of a star. Then we went on to galaxies. Galaxies are groups of stars. An example of a galaxy is Milky Way. Then we discussed nebula. Nebula is a clouds of gas and dust formed between the group of stars. New stars are formed in nebula. Then we discussed constellations. Constellations are group of stars forming certain imaginary shapes. One example we discussed was Saptarishi or Seven Saints. Then we discussed solar system, which we will be discussing in detail today. Solar system. The sun, 8 planets, satellites, and other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids make up the solar system. So we can see that sun plus the 8 planets and other celestial bodies like asteroids and meteoroids plus the satellites make up the solar system. The sun. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It is a huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides a pulling force and binds the solar system. So the pulling force of the sun holds the solar system together. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. So it provides heat and light for the other objects or planets in the solar system. The sun's tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because despite being a near star, it is far away from us. It is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Because of that much far, we don't experience the tremendous heat of the sun. Next, we will discuss planets. We have already discussed that solar system comprises of sun and the 8 planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Before we had one more planet, that is Pluto, but now we have taken it from the list of planets because it is too small to be called as a planet. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in a fixed path. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. So these planets move around the sun in a fixed path. These paths are called orbits. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. It takes only about 88 days to complete one round along the orbit. Venus is considered as Earth's twin. We can see Earth and Venus here because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. Next, we will discuss Earth. The Earth is the 3rd nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is the 5th largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is described as geoid. Geoid means an Earth-like shape. Earth is also called a blue planet because from the outer space the Earth appears blue because of its 2/3 surface which is covered by water. And conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on the Earth. The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for our survival. The air has life supporting gases like oxygen. Because of these reasons, the Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. Now we will discuss satellite also. Satellites are natural celestial bodies that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the sun. An example of a satellite is moon, which moves around the earth as earth rotates around the sun. Now we will answer some questions. Please write down the answers in your notebook. I have added some questions from the last video also because in that video I didn't give any questions. So please make sure you go through that video also before answering the questions. First question is, what are celestial bodies? Second, what is meant by solar system? Third question, why do stars twinkle? Fourth question, what is a satellite? Fifth question, what is a galaxy? Sixth and the last question is, give an example of constellation. That's it for today. Thank you students. See you soon with the next video. Bye.